This is peasant dress tutorial. This is the front and back of the shirt. I folded both these pieces separately because the depth of both necklines would be different. So this is the folded side and the open side is towards me. So decide whatever length you want and then cut accordingly. For width, measure around your hips or bust, whatever is bigger, and then add 2 inches to that. Now mark your shoulder measurement from the folded side of the fabric. This measurement is exactly the same as your normal shirt shoulder measurement. So if it is 7, mark 7. If it is 6, mark 6, whatever it is. And then mark your armhole measurement. This measurement is also exactly the same as your normal armhole measurement. Now mark the center of the armhole measurement and mark 1 inch toward the neckline and make this curve shape like you would do in your normal shirt armholes. Now mark the depth of the neckline. That is up to you, whatever depth you want. And now join these 2 points and make a nice curve. Now cut the armhole shape out. But the neckline shape just cut out in the front piece. For back neckline, we will measure less depth. Okay, so cut the front neckline. Now let me mark my back neckline. I am marking 2 inches for back. You mark whatever depth you like and then cut it out. Now let's work on our sleeves. For length, add about 5 inches extra to your sleeves because we are measuring it from our neck, not from our top of arm. And for width, add about 2 or more extra inches to that. Now put the sleeves under your shirt piece, folded sides toward the folded side and the open side toward the open. Align the open sides nicely and the top should also match each other. And then cut out the armhole shape in sleeves. Now measure the sleeves opening, but we are putting elastic in them. So keep about 2 inches wider than your normal measurement. Mark it and then join with the top point and cut it out. Now separate both sleeves from each other. Now let me show you how to attach these sleeves to the bodice. So spread out your one piece of the shirt and then take your sleeve and then attach one side of the armhole of the sleeves to the one side of the shirt piece and then attach the other piece to the other side of the sleeve armhole. So this is how you're supposed to do. So this is other part of the shirt, attaching it to the other side of the sleeve armhole and do the same to the other side. Or just take your sleeve, attach it to the one side of the shirt piece and take another sleeve and attach it to the other armhole. So it is done. And now take your back piece and attach it to the other side of the armhole of the sleeves. So at the end, this is how it's supposed to look. So after attaching your sleeves, hem your neckline. So double fold your neckline and run a stitch on top all around your neckline. So after hemming your neckline, there are a couple of ways you can make your neckline. Either fold it an inch and then run a stitch all around your neckline, leaving a little gap, and then let an elastic go through it, and then at the end sew both ends of the elastic, and then sew the little gap. Another way is, which I'm doing here, is take a elastic thread, take it double to make it more stable, and then do a running stitch all around your neckline. So give the elastic a knot at the end so you don't lose it. This way you can control the gathering around your neckline more easily, and then at the end adjust all the gatherings. And once you are happy with that, secure it by going back and forth few times. And for sleeves, just hem it around and then do the same as you did to the neckline. And you are done. So thanks for watching and subscribe to stay connected.